Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard barbecue sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 1 cup of your favorite ketchup. Don't forget a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. We'll also use some common spices to enhance the flavor profile. Now, let's start mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your honey, Dijon mustard, and ketchup. Whisk these together until they are well blended and smooth. Next, pour in the apple cider vinegar. This adds a crucial tanginess. Then, a small amount of Worcestershire sauce will deepen the overall flavor, giving it that classic barbecue richness. It's time to introduce our spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Once everything is combined, transfer the mixture to a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer over low heat. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After simmering, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool down completely. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once cooled, transfer your delicious homemade honey mustard barbecue sauce into an airtight container. It's perfect for grilling, dipping, or marinating. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.